Hey everyone, this DongCheng 4.5-inch angle grinder was provided by the brand for review, but as always, my opinions are my own. Now, this is a really compact, beginner-friendly tool that spins at about 11,800 RPMs. I gave this to my sister to try out, and despite being new to power tools, she was able to cut through a thick plastic planer with no trouble. The paddle switch feels safe and easy to control, and the auxiliary handle gives you extra stability. It also comes with cutting wheels, grinding wheels, and flap discs, so you can jump right in without needing any extras. We're planning to use this on concrete necks once we grab the right diamond blade, which shows how versatile it can be for both metal, rust removal, and heavier jobs. For a 6.7 amp grinder, it's lightweight, affordable, and easy enough for beginners. If you're looking for a first angle grinder that can handle a range of tasks, this one is worth checking out. Hope you found this helpful and have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.